Thank you for joining me today. And as we continue to try to integrate the spirituality with mental health, I wanted to talk about something that I've written about, and I will post a article on a study that we did in the comments section. So check that out. But let's begin with the first chakra issues in healing. And a chakra, I'll keep this as simple as I can. It's a vortex of energy that is helping translate information from beyond the 3D physical body within our physical innate body. So if you kind of want to look at it as almost kind of a wheel or a vortex between our physical body and our spiritual selves, or perhaps our higher selves, if you would imagine that. Now, there's 7 chakras displayed on this image, but I've read that there's as many as 12, and the 12 would be as we move out into more of our spiritual selves. Now, another way I understand this, if you've heard about kind of phantom limb syndrome from folks that have unfortunately lost a limb but still feel pain, this is an example of this, is that spiritual body, that energetic body is still there even though the physical 3D is not. Okay, so we've got these chakras processing this information, and there can be various levels of development within the chakras. Now, with this one that we're looking at here, at the root chakra or the base chakra, the one we're talking about today, chakra 1, you can kind of see how this one is undeveloped or underdeveloped, while the heart chakra and the throat chakra are very well developed and maybe even excessive. So that's what we're talking about here. And according to this, the base chakra is starting to develop in the second trimester all the way up to 12 months. It has to do with issues related to that you have a right to be here on this earth, and to do what the mission you have. If it's deficient, as we just talked about, this one looks a little deficient, would be fearful, anxious. These are some of the symptoms: poor focus, chronic disorganization, possibly dissociation on the extreme side. If it's excessive, if this was really big, it could lead to such stuff as material fixation, procrastination, rigid boundaries. So change would be very difficult. And it might also be a little difficult to kind of move into a conversation that we're having right now about issues that we can't exactly measure and touch and feel. Some physical symptoms of this could be irritable bowel syndrome, colitis, spastic colon cancer. Again, that's kind of moving from less severe to more severe. So some of the healing strategies of people, I think of first chakra issues as particularly being ungrounded if it's deficient. And so helping people feel safe, that they have a right to be here, that they are valued. And so I think of humanistic counseling approaches, and within humanistic, I would consider person-centered, existential. I would consider relational cultural feminist therapies, even post-colonial, because all of these are related to a non-expert approach where we are working diligently to understand clients and their stories. So perhaps even narrative therapy and solution-focused as well. Some of the strategies that can be helped to help with first chakra issues: dance, massage, tai chi, relaxation, yoga, hiking, walking barefoot in nature, ways to help feel more secure to this planet. And these are particularly true for feeling grounded and making sure that you believe you be here, that you deserve to be here. All right, I look forward to hearing your comments on this, and talk to you on the next video. I'll cover all 7 of the chakras, even though there's probably more. Okay, talk to you soon.